I discovered another quick fix this morning by pure chance as I was brushing the dust and debris off the textile parts of my SW Neotec tank bag and tail bag. Take a medium stiffness clothes brush like this that your wife probably has but you've never ever seen or thought to use before, even for clothes, and scrub away at the grip for about 30 seconds or so, and they come up as good as new. These particular grip puppies have been on my Honda ADV 350 scooter since I bought it new over 4 years ago, and after more than 30,000 kilometers or 20,000 miles, they become polished almost to the point of feeling slippery, especially when wet. But 30 seconds vigorous brushing, which you probably can't see on camera, but they are factory fresh again. That's it. Very short bonus video today, but for more almost free tips in the same vein, check out my ZeroFit video, link at the top of the screen now and in the description.